pick up the genies. 11 here. And we're doing a pre-practice of cash register.
Remember you say okay, it's Jacob from JC, right?
So,
what is whispering today? What is whispering today? I mean, what did you say? What did you say?
you hear it when we start the video.
Goodness.
So,
Okay, let's do
so
this.
I'm the cash register.
Oh, sorry, she did this. I know. Okay, chips. You know what? Maybe this. What is this anyways?
My Apple Jacks.
Oh, well.
$20. Oh, I got you $20. I got you $20. I got you
Maybe we can
$20.
use these chips.
So this costs now I got you
I hope it's 20 because that's the money. That's the money that we have.
$20. I need 10.
Oh, I have 10 right there. Ching.
So now we're doing the second pre-practice.
So the next one we're gonna actually do it.
We're gonna actually do this
Yeah.
with my brother Shamal.
And please don't call him by his real name. Only we can call his real name. Don't call us his real name. If you do, we're gonna scream out curse words and close my YouTube channel.
Okay, bye bye.